Hello everyone, I'm Raji. In my last lecture video, we are going to see what is machine learning and the types of machine learnings and key elements of machine learnings. That is, it has three components we have already seen in my last class. In this lecture video, we are going to see about machine learning in practice. That is, to start loop and end loop. In the start loop, that is the first thing is understand the domain, prior knowledge and goals, and the second one is data integration, selection, cleaning and pre-processing, and third one is learning models, and fourth one is interpreting results, and fifth one is consolidating and deploying discovered knowledge. So this is the summary of first start loop in learning process and end loop. So the next thing is types of learning, which is supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, the model will classify the desired prediction of output, which is we have trained the model which by using the past data which is stored in the knowledge base. That is, we have to feed the input data and their requirements to finding the learning process to give the desired outcome. And in unsupervised learning, it has the features that will classify the model which has a grouping of data by using classification and clustering. And the next thing is the main supervised learning is trained using well-labeled data, training data, that is based on training data and machines predict the output. In labeled data, the input data already tagged with correct output. The main definition is the process of providing input data as well as correct output data to machine learning model. The real use cases: risk assessment, image classification, fraud detection, spam filtering. So the next thing is how supervised learning works is the labeled data and labels which has data which has the labels, and we have to train the model and to predict, and which has the test the data, and it will come the desired outcome. So next thing is in this supervised learning we have classification and regression. In classification, it's used to predict, classify and discrete values such as male or female, true or false, spam or not spam. In regression, it is used to predict the continuous values such as price, salary, age, etc. So this is the supervised learning. In unsupervised learning, the training data will be unlabeled for unsupervised learning algorithms. The clustering of data in the specific group will be done on the basis of similarities between the variables. The first thing is clustering and association problems. The input raw data which has interpretations, algorithms and processing to give the desired outcome. So the next thing is clustering and versus association rule mining. In the clustering is mainly used for grouping the data and associating the processed data. The next one is reinforcement learning, which is mainly used to train a machine to take a suitable action and maximize its rewards in a particular situation. It uses an agent and an environment to produce actions and rewards. So this is the applications in gaming industry and robotics. So how it will works is internal state, reward, environment, action. So this is the main observations of reinforcement learning. The main thing is we are training the model by using the by creating the environment and environment by using the AR and VR, and training the model by train the model by using reinforcement learning, which has an internal state and reward. So by using this reinforcement learning, it is mainly using for space research centers, which is mainly using the reinforcement learning. So these are the three types of machine learning. The first thing is supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. In next class, we are going to see about next topic. Thank you.